Good morning, D11. I am FWN Giancarlo Rosario, and I will be teaching you our champion product when it comes to investment, ang ating FWD manifest. So don't worry, guys, because I will do my best to discuss everything, lahat ng mga terms in layman's term para mas maintindihan at mas ma-appreciate natin yung FWD manifest. Okay? So let's start. Yan. So our manifest product is a VUL type product. VUL stands for Variable Unit Linked. And ibig sabihin nito ay meron siyang insurance plus investment. So if you can see here, meron death benefit plus health coverage and faster growth of investment. So let's focus on this because kaya ko siya sinabi kanina na champion product when it comes to the investment. Sa investment naman natin, meron siyang withdrawable from account value. Yung account value naman natin is ito yung itinubo ng pera ng mga clients natin sa investment component. Yan. Okay? Next, ang benefit age natin dito, benefit age o yung coverage ng death benefit ng mga clients natin for the manifest is up to age of 100. Ang insured age limit naman is from 15 days old to 75 years old. Okay? Term payments natin dito is payable siya for 5 years and 10 years to pay. So limited pay plan po siya. So after mabayaran ng clients natin for either 5 years or 10 years, insured na siya ng death benefit up to age of 100. Okay? So minimum annual premium naman natin dito, iba-iba din. The lesser the years to pay, the higher the minimum premium. So if you notice here, for 5 years, 100,000 po yung minimum annual premium ng clients natin. Whereas pag 10 years, it's at 70,000 pesos annual premium. Tapos ito siya guys, wala pa to siyang ibang riders. So, pag naglagay pa tayo ng mga additional riders or benefits, mas tataas pa yung premium ng mga clients natin. Okay? Sa assured, may mga iba't ibang bands tayo dito. We have band 1 at 1 million below, band 2, 1.01 or equal to 2 million, band 3, 2.01 and above. So ito siya, itong band 1, band 2, band 3, pag mas malaki kasi yung nilagay natin or napabilong sa iba't ibang bands yung sum assured na binibigay natin sa mga clients natin, iba din yung or mas mataas yung startup bonus na matatanggap nila. So I will explain it to you the next slide. So ito na siya, yung features niya. Startup bonus. Additional investment after 5 and 10 years. So yung startup bonus natin starts from 20 to 30% of the basic annual premium. The higher the sum assured we give to our clients, mas mataas po yung startup bonus na ibibigay ni FWD. No? Itong startup bonus ay para ah, mas tumaas pa yung account value ng mga clients natin in the future when it comes to the investment. Okay? So meron din tayong premium extension bonus. Ito naman siya if si client natin ay natapos na yung 5 or 10 years ng paghuhulog or pagsisave niya sa policy niya and gusto niya pang ipagpatuloy or i-continue yung pagsisave niya, pwede po siya. Tapos, bibigyan siya ng additional 2% bonus ni FWD. Di ba? So, additional pa yan siya. So, aside from that, no, separate pa, meron pa tayong guaranteed milestone benefit. Itong guaranteed milestone benefit naman is if si client natin ay maka-reach ng certain milestone, 6 milestones actually, ay madadagdagan ng additional 20% yung sum assured or death benefit niya. So ano-ano ba yung mga ano-ano ba yung mga guaranteed milestones na pwedeng ma-reach ng clients natin? Number one, in chronological order para mas madali nating matandaan, pag si client ay graduate sa college or university. Next ay pag si client ay ikinasal. Next ay if si client ay makabili ng bagong property or real estate. Number four is if si client ay nagkaanak, no? Number five is if si client ay umabot ng 10th policy year or anniversary yung policy niya. And lastly is if si client ay umabot sa retirement age. So any of the 6 milestones madadagdagan ng 20%. No? Ina-apply din po to siya, no? Pero wala na siyang medical requirement. Okay? So meron din po tayong investment protector bonus. Itong investment protector bonus naman natin is ang in-explain ko sa client ko, that's why it's really, really good itong manifest product natin is that if si FWD ay makadetect ng market downturn or paglugi sa investment ni client, ay mag inject ng additional 100% loyalty bonus sa next loyalty bonus. So yung loyalty bonus natin ay 2%. So if makadetect yung si FWD ng market downturn, nagiging 4% siya. So ibig sabihin, hindi ganun ka maapektuhan yung investment or account value ng mga clients natin because of this investment protector bonus. Yan. Yun. As I was saying, ito na yung loyalty bonus natin. So additional 2% pag si clients natin ay walang missed months or walang lapses sa mga premium payments niya, no? Laging on time, walang lapses, walang withdrawals, no? So magkakaroon siya ng additional 2% of the average monthly account value for the past 5 years. Tapos, ini-inject siya on the 10th year of the policy and every 5 years as long as policy has not been reinstated. Okay? Next is, meron din po tayo mga riders and additional benefits. So, itong dalawang riders na to, si Safety Pro, which is our accidental death benefit, and also our Sure Pro, which is our waiver of premium, ay built-in na po siya sa manifest product natin. Ibig sabihin, hindi na po siya natatanggal. And then, meron po tayong additional riders na pwedeng ma-add, which is our Life Pro and also our Recovery Pro. Okay? Ayan. Premium holiday charge. Ito naman siya ay let's say si client no, meron ng pera yung ano niya, meron ng pera yung account value niya tapos hindi siya makakabayad ng ilang months, let's say nagka-emergency. So pwedeng gamitin ni client yung account value niya for the payment of of his or her monthly premium. So if you notice here, uh mataas yung premium holiday charge on the first year, 70%. Tapos, as the years go by, pababa na pababa yung premium holiday charge. Okay? And we also have our surrender or withdrawal charge. So, in-encourage kasi ni FWD yung mga clients natin na ipastay nila yung manifest na policy nila for a long period of time. So i-explain din natin sa mga clients natin na yung investment ng policy natin na manifest or any insurance ay pang long term siya. So hindi siya advisable na after a year mag-withdraw, no? So encourage natin sila, no? Kung gusto talaga nila mag-withdraw, sabihin natin on the 8th policy year para wala na silang surrender or withdrawal charge. Alright? Policy fee, ito naman yung policy fee ay para ma-maintain yung mga insurance na mga ano natin, na mga clients. So itong policy fee, ito yung kinukuha ni FWD. Again, para ma-maintain yung ano natin, mga insurance programs ng mga clients natin. So if you notice here, no, if you notice here, para sa 5-pay na manifest, 11th year onwards, wala lang policy fee. Whereas pag sa 10th pay natin, meron pa sa 11th to 15th year. No, meron 0.25%. Alright? Fund management charge, ito din naman siya para sa mga fund managers natin. Para sa 5-pay, 30% sa 30% sa first year and the second year onwards ay 100% na. Para sa 10 pay naman, if you notice here, pababa ng pababa yung fund management charge. So, on the fifth year, 5% na lang yung fund management charge para sa mga fund managers po natin ito. Okay? And then we also have here the cost of insurance charge. So nakadepende din siya. Ito naman siya para naman siya sa mga ano natin ha, sa investment component natin na part, no, para sa mga fund managers natin. So iba-iba din yung fund charge per fund manager natin. And depende din siya kung anong type of fund. So if you notice here, no, para sa security bank natin na fund manager, iba-iba din yung fund charge depending on which type of fund. So bond fund natin, nice to know lang po ito siya guys, 1.75. Fixed income fund, 1.75. Mababa pa sa liquidity fund at 0.5%. Okay? Para sa moderate appetite naman natin, mataas na siya. For Security Bank, yung peso stable is at 2%. Peso balanced fund is 2%. Ang Velocity Global Payout Fund natin is at 2.25%. Yan. Para naman sa aggressive natin, no? Aggressive natin. So ito din siya ang corresponding fund charge. So if you notice here, pinakamataas natin si Peso Diversity Fund which is at 2.25%. Tapos wala naman si Peso Nitro Global Payout Fund. Okay? So basically, that's it. So I hope mas ma-appreciate natin yung FWD Manifest product and mas ma-offer na natin siya sa mga clients natin. And I really do hope that with this discussion, ay mas nadagdagan yung confidence natin to offer this to our clients. Thank you so much and I hope you learned a lot today.